Welcome, today in front of me Google Pixel 6 Pro, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should open the notification panel, and here just to turn on the Wi-Fi, tap once on this internet icon, and here tap once on the switcher and tap then to done, and then just hold for a while this icon and you will enter into the Wi-Fi settings, and you can choose here one from these available networks and connect to them. And then just to turn off the Wi-Fi, tap here again on the switcher and tap to done here, and that's it. And also the second way, you should just go to the settings, tap here on the network and internet section, tap here to the internet, and to activate Wi-Fi, tap once on the switcher. And here you will again see all the available networks, and now you can choose one from this network. For example, I will go with the first one, and here you just should enter your password. In my case, that's from 1 to 8. Here you can tap once on this checkbox and you will see the password to no mistakes, and then just tap here to connect. And as can you see, our device successfully connected to this network. And if for sure you can just select the another one, you just can disconnect this network, or just to forget the password and then just to select the another password. Or also you can add the network if you have this network here in this list. And also just to turn off the Wi-Fi again, tap here once on the switcher, and that's it. So that's how it looks. And if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.